Hello lovelies, welcome to our channel, Lovely Lawson Toys. Today we'll be unboxing yellow baby stroller for Barbie doll. So we've got this cute little baby with brown hair, blue eyes, long lashes, pink lips, white diaper. The baby cannot move his head, can move arms and legs. We've got this cute yellow milk bottle and white blanket with colorful animals. We've got this super cute baby carrier. You can move the handle. There are seat belts and the baby fits perfectly. We've got this cool bottom part with pink removable basket. And here comes the baby. And now we can go for a ride. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day. Bye!